Exhausted. Mhlawumbe uyazibuza ukuthi sigawula. Zwakala. Awuthi ngikubonisa. Now my ingredients of vandaag. So vandaag bafethu we'll be smoking a short rib. So qala olive oil, then you give your meat a good rub, and then sithi barbecue rub here too, and then sithi SPG here too, and then you flip it over and hit it from the back too. Uyazi. Barbecue rub, SPG, and then sesiqedile. Danko bafethu. From that uyazi, angithengelanga mahala. We'll be smoking this for at least 4 hours. So ibeka bafethu and then sivale. Awivale mfana. Yo, shap kunjani bafethu? I am not alone today bafethu. I'm here with and vandaag bafethu, I'm here to show my brother a little taste of some smoked meat. We've got some short ribs smoking in the smoker, and then now we're about to prep the chicken. Njaga, are you ready to prep the chicken? So bafethu, so qala ngofaka ama glove wethu, and then the chicken yethu, we're gonna cut it in half. Danko bafethu, when it's 2 halves, we're ready. So to olive oil, give your meat a good rub, and then sit rub here too. City SPG, and then you do the same to the other side as well. Danko. From Daba bafethu, we'll be smoking it with the short rib. So ifaga, skin face down to crisp up the skin. Danko. And once it reaches an internal temperature of 75 degrees, it's ready to be wrapped. My brother, so it's a lishapu.
Okay.
The short rib. I told you I cooked short rib earlier before you got here.
Yeah.
So I started ahead of you.
So now, what are we going to do now?
Right in Tano, we're going to wrap it up.
Okay, I'm new to this. So, yeah, he's the man of the house, Vanda.
Sure. My brother, we're going to start beef tello. So this is just going to help our short rib.
Okay.
Braised. So, are you ready? Okay, it's gonna burn me.
That's fine, babe.
Yeah, we're gonna put more on top.
Okay. You said that? Don't smear it, Moskai.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, like that is fine. Sure. Okay, so now we're gonna wrap it from me to you. Thanks.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can wrap me.
But when it's time to wrap the meat, you can call me. We're gonna place the wrapped short rib inside of the smoker until it reaches 95 degrees Celsius. From there, Jayam, don't forget to spritz the chicken using your cherry cola. Danko. To keep it moist. And now, all the meat is ready. It's time to make the salsa. Scalang chili. And then we chop some tomatoes. And then we dice 1 red onion,
And then
juice of 1 lime, coriander yethu, and then city vinegar, salt, pepper, and then we mix. Danko bafethu. My brother, are you ready? After unwrapping your meat, Njaya Muyazi, by Tanda Maisigiwe, we'll be slicing the short rib. Look at how juicy this meat is. Yes. From there, so slice a brisket here too. And then it's time to plate. So kalangi chicken, we lay the brisket, city short rib, and then city garlic bread. Danko bafethu. And if your smoked platter does not look like this, haha, Jayam, you did something wrong. Askauli. Hey, yo, shap kunjani bafethu, it's your boy Dai Danger, and I'm not alone. I'm out here with Andramasilu. See you later.
Thanks, how's it?
Tenderness. Cheers. Bafethu, this Bonele Nani, as always, Soikleta, last bite, Danko. And we love to see another day.
Wow.